welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you guys some amazing story about this guy who put in over 700,000 miles on his bike. That's a lot of drive, and he has more than one bike. Another bike with a 500 something miles. So, is this the quality of the bike that makes it last 700, or the quality of the oil that he's using that makes the bike last longer? Interesting question. I don't have much of experience with Honda bikes. I started searching online and could not find not a single one with like even 500 or 400 or 300,000 miles. So it has to be. Imagine how much money this guy saved. No engine work. And you can scroll down. Well, actually, I'll post a link where you can read. It's amazing, you know what I mean, what this guy does and how he gets so many miles on this motorcycle. So it's a combination. I have seen junk product, but with the quality AMSOIL products lasted 500 miles, while majority of people can't even get 100 miles with a problem. So quality of oil makes a difference. How is it? Well, if the equipment does not wear out, guess what? It's not gonna fail. It only fails when it wears out. And to prevent from wearing out, you gotta have good lubrication, good lubricity, good oil to prevent metal to metal contact. Here is the mileage, 700. It's actually over 700. And it's a Honda. Over 700 miles on this bike. Amazing. And what I have noticed, either you run quality oil with the long drain intervals, or you run low quality oil, but you change it every month and you will get the same results. So either you change more often, you get same results, or you with a low quality oils, or with a high quality oils, you just change it long drain intervals and you'll get the same. But cost is, changing every month oil is definitely cost more than changing once a year. So that's where I post the link, and you can read more if you're interested. You know what I mean? If you have the bike, or if you have small equipment and you wanna, beat all the records, get as many miles as possible. That's that's the way to go. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video with others. I would appreciate it. Thank you.